This is the Compaction Proctor interactive calculator, which solves various density and moisture calculations for soil compaction testing. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate dry density from wet density, calculate wet density from dry density, calculate relative compaction, calculate zero air voids curve, calculate moisture content from masses, and calculate void ratio and porosity. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate dry density from wet density. The input fields include wet density in kilograms per cubic meter, moisture content as a percentage, dry density in kilograms per cubic meter. Another moisture content percentage field dry density and maximum dry density, both in kilograms per cubic meter. Specific gravity Gs, another moisture content percentage. Wet mass and dry mass in grams, another dry density field, and another specific gravity Gs field. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for wet density and 10 for moisture content. After clicking Calculate, the results show dry density equals 9.09 kilograms per cubic meter. Water content equals 0.91 kilograms per cubic meter. Moisture decimal equals 0.1000. And wet density confirms our input at 10.0 kilograms per cubic meter. Find the link in the description below.